Hello, dear student and friends. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, New Upgrade Biology. Today in this video, we are going to study about law of dominance, which is the third part of Mendelian genetics. We have read about law of unit character and law of paired factor. So if you have not watched the videos till now, then watch them and get the detailed knowledge. Now let's start this part 3 of Mendelian genetics, the law of dominance. Yes, this is about the principle of dominance. The principle of dominance states that the presence of dominant alleles will always mask the presence of recessive allele. Here, through this law, Mendel explained that in an organism, there may be the dominant and recessive both type of alleles. But the phenotypically, there will be the expression of only dominant alleles. Means dominant allele को मात्रै यहाँ चाहिँ phenotypically expression हुन्छ र recessive allele suppress हुन्छ. यो जहिले पनि कुनै हेट्रोजाइगस कन्डिसनमा जहाँ चाहिँ दुईटै एलिल्सहरू प्रेजेन्स हुन्छन् त्यसमा डोमिनेन्ट एलिलले जहिले पनि रिसेसिभ एलिललाई मास्क गरिदिन्छ मिन्स उसको एक्सप्रेसनलाई सप्रेस रोकिदिन्छ त यही नै के हो लॉ अफ डोमिनेन्स means according to this law Mendel explained that in the heterozygous condition when the organism have the alleles for both dominant and recessive, or an organism have the both dominant and recessive allele, then only the dominant allele will be expressed phenotypically. In simple language, we can understand this law. It means that when two genetically different pure lines, suppose there are two genetically different two organisms are pure line, which are pure homozygous, are crossed, तिनीहरूलाई क्रस गर्यो, then in first generation only dominant character is appeared. भनेको पहिलो जेनेरेसनमा खाली dominant character मात्रै phenotypically expressed भएको देखिन्छ. And the recessive character के हुन्छ? The recessive character is disappeared. So disappeared हुन्छ, that is suppressed. Recessive character को एलिल लाई डोमिनेन्ट क्यारेक्टर को एलिलले के गर्यो सप्रेस गरिदियो मास्क गरिदियो जसले गर्दा त्यो फर्स्ट जेनेरेसनमा देखा परेन. But it is transmitted or it is transferred, but it is transferred in the same pattern as dominant characters and can be appeared in second generation on self-pollination or self-fertilization. It means that in the heterozygous condition, an organism have the genes for both dominant and recessive character, but phenotypically only the dominant alleles is expressed. Whereas both of them, they are transferred in the same pattern to the second generation when the self-pollination or self-fertilization occurs in the offspring of the first generation. पहिलो जेनेरेसनको जुन हेट्रोजाइगस हाइब्रिड हुन्छ त्यसमा यदि सेल्फ पोलिनेसन या सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेसन गर्ने हो भने है त्यहाँ हामी हेर्दाखेरि तिनीहरूको फेरि जुन प्याटर्न अफ ट्रान्समिसन हुन्छ त्यो सेम हुन्छ जसरी डोमिनेन्ट एलिल्सको ट्रान्समिसन हुन्छ त्यही प्याटर्नमा रिसेसिभ एलिल्सको पनि ट्रान्समिसन हुन्छ. This is the example of law of dominance. When a pea plant with purple flower, genotype capital P, is crossed with another pea plant with white flower, which have the genotype small p, small p. Then in first generation only, purple flowers are produced, which are in heterozygous condition, where the dominant allele P masks the presence of the recessive alleles small p. Diagram item. When a pure pea plant having the purple flower, एउटा parent जसमा पर्पल कलर को फ्लावर्स यो डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर हो जसको जीनोटाइप के हो कैपिटल पी अर्को पेरेंट होमोजाइगस जसमा व्हाइट फ्लावर छ र त्यसको जीनोटाइप स्मॉल p. It is the recessive character. When these two parents which are genetically different, they have the different genotypes, are crossed, then in first generation we see only the dominant character is appeared, means here only the purple color of flower is appeared, not the white color of flower. What is the reason behind it? यस्तो किन भयो त मेन्डलले के भने कि heterozygous condition are in heterozygous condition, or you can say in first generation the organisms are the offspring which are heterozygous. They have the alleles for both dominant and recessive, or you can say they have the both dominant and recessive allele. They have been transferred from the parents in the same pattern. Same pattern ma dominant र recessive allele हरु ट्रान्सफर भएर यो offspring मा आएका हुन्। तर भयो के dominant allele mask the expression of this recessive allele. यसमा recessive allele भनेको स्मॉल p, त्यसको एक्सप्रेसन लाई के गर्यो यो डोमिनेन्ट एलिल क्यापिटल b ले मास्क गर्दियो भनेको सप्रेस गर्दियो, जसले गर्दा यो डोमिनेन्ट क्यारेक्टर को जुन एलिल छ त्यसको एक्सप्रेसन मात्रै भयो भनेको पर्पल कलर मात्रै भयो र ड्यू टु सप्रेसन द रिसेसिभ एलिल क्यान नट एक्सप्रेस फेनोटाइपिकली इटसेल्फ। यही कारण हो कि फर्स्ट जेनेरेसन में डोमिनेन्ट क्यारेक्टर मात्रै देखा पर्छ र रिसेसिभ क्यारेक्टर अनि देखा पर्दैन। So these things have been explained by Mendel in his law of dominance of inheritance. So in this video we have read about law of dominance, and in the next video we will study about law of segregation. So watch this video, and if you like then share it, and if you are new then subscribe it. Thank you.